let's just do a quick box overview right now. So yeah. So what we have here, so I'll just zoom in a bit. Yeah, the Zhiyun. Okay, we also have a QR code for the app. And what else is included in the box? We have the gimbal. I think this is the tripod, the charging cable, and the manual. And please activate the product via Zcam app. And that's pretty much all that is written. So you have the product name and the Zhiyun brand. So this is the Smooth Q3, and there is pretty much nothing on this side nor the back. It is represented, well, advertised with an iPhone. There we go. So here we have a service card that's included with this is the service card that is included. We also have the service centers, Zhiyun authorized sales warehouses, and this is the gimbal. This is the gimbal itself, and this is how to calibrate, how to use the gimbal. So it's like a user guide, and this is the tripod. So it's pretty normal. It's nice. And since the gimbal has a follow-on mode, it's going to be able to follow you. So you're going to put it on the table and it will follow you. And this is the cable. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.